Well, here we are. Fuck. I mean, this is my life. My life! I tried and I failed, so I tried again and I didn't fail better. I failed harder. The story of my life has been written, and the cliff notes are, you fucking suck! Which I guess I've always known. Thanks, Mom. Oh, so what's next? What's the point of going on? What's the motherfucking point? My life's a fucking disaster. I mean, love is a shipwreck, and my art has about as much a chance of changing the world as fucking Congress. What the fuck are you laughing at? Is this funny to you? You're enjoying my pain. Wow, do you have any idea what happens next? Do you? Well, for those of you not so well versed in 19th century Russian drama, this is the part where I die. Oh, that's right, campers, I die. Talking anguished tears, burn my manuscripts, despair, gunshot, and you cry. You cry. Or wake up, or whatever. Then you stand up and you give a quick little thumbs up, down, or non-committal shrug to the person you came here with. And then you take your phones out and check your missed calls and texts before you've even sidled out to the end of your fucking row. This is where the play ends. I'm fucking dead. Nina's shithouse crazy, and everyone else just prances along their merry way, and no one's life has changed. Right? Right? Another play, over and done with, and nothing real has happened. Well, this is just a stupid fucking play, right? And maybe I don't want to shoot myself in the head. Maybe I want to keep wallowing in my own self-pity and existential angst from production to production to production until the end of time. Maybe I want to keep losing and failing and losing and failing and losing. But wait. Then where's the catharsis? I mean, this is a play, right? Or whatever. So there has to be some kind of catharsis, or you'll all want your fucking money back. So where's the catharsis, huh? Oh, hey, we didn't forget to bring it, did we? Can a fella get a little fucking catharsis around here or not?